Okay. Hello everyone. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Thank Okay. So in the last lab, we had discussed assignment 5, I think. Yes, how many questions we had finished? Yes, I think up to the 9. We check fundamental cut set and circuit. Okay. Good. So let's discuss the remaining question. Two questions are remaining. Okay. Question number 10 is here. Define the edge and vertex connectivity. Okay. And then after verify which of the graph is the separable graph. Okay, that is a question number 10. Define edge and vertex connectivity of this graph. So what is meaning of edge connectivity? I have to mention the both definition here first. Okay, in this question, edge connectivity means a number of minimum number of edge. Okay, means number of edge in the smallest cut set. That is called edge connectivity. Okay, we prefer smallest cut set, means such cut set which include a minimum number of edge. Okay, so that is called smallest cut set, and number of edges including smallest cut set, that is called edge connectivity of that graph. Okay, and similarly vertex connectivity, the minimum number of vertex you have to make delete. Okay, to make the graph disconnected, then it is called the vertex connectivity. Clear? So write both the definition. Clear? Refer this theory again if you have any doubt. Okay, the note is already available in e-content. So just refer this topic again, and then after check that which of the graph is separable graph. Okay, so what is meaning of separable graph? With such graph whose vertex connectivity is one. Okay, so graph whose vertex connectivity is one, then the graph is called the separable graph. Okay, so that is the definition. Here three graph is mentioned. Clear? So we'll identify edge connectivity, vertex connectivity. Okay, and we'll check that which of the graph is separable graph. Clear? And after that we'll add some more graph. Clear? As a standard form, complete and complete bipartite graph, and you just also check its answer. Okay, so here in the first graph, okay, that is the data are given in the first graph. One of the graph is that. Clear? That is a graph. Clear? You just see it. Clear? And here in this graph the two mention. Okay, 2 and 4. So what is indicate 2 and 4? It indicate degree of that particular vertex here in the first graph. So you can mention the notation if it is required. Okay, there is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, these are the notations for that graph, and you can also put edge notation if it is required to find each cut set. Clear? And then after check that which what is the edge connectivity of this graph. Okay, so just check every cut set of this graph. Okay, just check every cut set of this graph and identify which will be the smallest cut set. Okay, so in the smallest cut set should have at least one edge. Okay, so here you just check that we cannot make graph disconnected by using single edge. Okay, अगर आप कोई single edge delete करते हो तो it's not a cut set. ठीक है, single edge is not a cut set example. Okay, so by using one edge we cannot make graph disconnected. Now think about two edges. Clear? Can we make graph disconnected and it is example of cut set or not? Okay, so just disconnect the A. So you have to delete at least two edges. Okay, so that is one of the cut set. Disconnect the B, it is also one cut set. Disconnect the C, it is also remove the two edges that. Okay, for E, D. Okay, and for F के लिए कितनी edge आपको remove करनी होगी? You have to delete four edges. Okay, so in this all cut set, okay, which will be the smallest cut set? The include age is 2, that is considered as the smallest cut set. Clear? And that is considered as the number of vertex, number of edges included in a smallest cut set, That is called the edge connectivity of this graph. Okay, so what is answer of edge connectivity of first graph? That is a 2. And now what will be the vertex connectivity of this graph? How many vertex you have to delete to make graph disconnected? That is minimum possibility. Yes, what will be the answer for vertex connectivity? Can we make graph disconnected by deletion of single vertex? Yes, is it clear the answer of edge connectivity? Is there any confusion? Okay. Yes, any doubt to anyone why it is a 2 answer here? Good. So now what will be the vertex connectivity? Can we make graph disconnected by deletion of single vertex? If it is possible, then vertex connectivity will be 1. If it is not possible, then think about for 2 vertex. Yes, it is very easy to verify it, okay? Just delete one of the vertex and can we make graph into the 2 part or not? There are 6 vertex are given there. Check for all the 6 vertex. अगर मैं उसको delete करता हूँ, तो can we get into the 2 partition or not? Yes. What is the answer? Yeah, that is a F. Okay. Just delete the vertex F, which is mentioned to the middle of this graph. Okay. Just delete the F here. F को यहाँ से निकाल दो. So 4 edges connect with the F. That also will be deleted. Okay. Also will be removed. So what is the remaining part of the graph? When we delete the F with these 4 edges, A, B, C will be connected in one partition and E and D will be connected in second partition. Okay, so graph become disconnected by using single vertex only. So what is meaning of that? Here vertex connectivity of this graph is equal to 1. Okay, vertex connectivity is equal to 1. And then after check for separable graph. Okay, if vertex connectivity of this graph is a 1, so that graph is separable graph. So it is a separable graph. Okay, it is separable graph. Now check the answer for second graph. Yes, what is edge connectivity of the second graph? Okay, answer is a 1. Just delete single edge. एक ही edge आपको delete करनी है to make this graph disconnected. Okay, that is in between this vertex A and B. Let us say. Okay, just delete the edge between A and B, and this graph will be in 2 partitions. Okay, just delete this one. So only edge single edge is required to make graph disconnected. Now what is answer of vertex connectivity? That is also 1. Okay, just delete a vertex A, either B. ठीक है, A और B में से कोई एक को delete कर दो. Either A और B में से कोई एक को delete कर दो. ठीक है, so graph become disconnected. Okay, so vertex connectivity is also 1. Clear? And as we know that if it is vertex connectivity is 1 for that graph, then this graph is known as a separable graph. Okay, so it is also a separable graph. Now try third graph. Third one, that is already given. Fourth, that is the graph of K5. Okay. And fifth one, there is a graph of K26. Okay. Draw the K5 and K26 and then check its vertex and its connectivity. Okay. Third is already given. So just try it and finish it. Yes, all of you have done it. What is answer in third graph? Bhavya, what is answer in third graph? Bhavya, can you hear me? Have you done it? Bhavya, Anand, Gopal. Anand. Can you hear me, Anand? રાજવી લેબ 11:10 સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે કેમ લેટ જોઈન કરો છો ખુશી can you hear me ખુશી what is the answer of third graph વૈભવ વિવેક નેવિલ મયંક ખુશી કલ્પના ખાલી 2 થી 3 સ્ટુડન્ટ આન્સર આપે છે બાકી બધા ખાલી અટેન્ડન્સ માટે આવ્યા છો ખાલી અટેન્ડન્સ કમ્પ્લીટ કરાવ્યું હોય ને તો અત્યારે જ લેફ્ટ થઈ જાવ તો હું લેફ્ટ કરી દઈશ તમને અહીંથી તમારે કઈ વર્ક ના કરવું હોય તો શું કામ લેબ અટેન્ડ કરો છો Okay, answer is 1. Edge connectivity is equal to 1. Okay, now what is vertex connectivity? It is also 1. Okay, so it is graph is separable graph. Clear? That is separable graph. Good. Now what is answer for K5? What is the edge connectivity of the K5? First draw the graph. What is meaning of K5? It is a complete graph with 5 vertex. Let's draw the K5 first. Okay, 5 vertex. And then after check its connection. So this graph of K5, okay, each and every vertex is degree 4. So now how many minimum edges that you have to remove to make graph disconnected? Can you make graph disconnected by single edge? First check it and then reply the answer. Okay, now check for 2 edges. Delete any 2 edges. Can you make graph disconnected? No. Okay. Now for 3 edges, it is also not possible for 3 edges. Clear? Because what is the definition of complete graph? Each and every vertex will connect it. Okay, and every vertex has degree 4. तो कोई वर्टेक्स को आपको डिस्कनेक्ट करना है ठीक है सो हाउ मेनी मिनिमम एजेस दैट यू टू डिलीट 4 एजेस ठीक है आपको फॉर एग्जांपल is to make A disconnected from remaining all the vertex. So how many edges you have to delete to make A disconnected? At least 4 edge आपको निकालनी होगी, ठीक है? Then A will be disconnected from remaining all the graph. Clear? So what is the edge connectivity of this graph? That is a 4. Okay. Now what is the vertex connectivity? That for complete graph vertex connectivity already checked. Okay, during the lecture. Is it possible or not? Vertex connectivity is possible? It's not possible. Okay, why it is not possible? Because each and every vertex are connected to each other. If you delete single vertex, then you will get a K4 shape. Okay. If you delete two vertex, then you will get K3 shape. Clear? If you delete three vertex, then you will get K2 shape. Okay. And if you delete four vertex, अगर चारों आप निकाल दोगे, then remaining is only one vertex. It is not disconnected form. Okay. You have to observe the two disconnected part. Clear? दो part में graph define होना चाहिए when we delete any of the vertex. Clear? So up to the 4 vertex, we get only single vertex at the last. Clear? So what does it mean? The vertex connectivity is not possible for any complete graph. अगर कोई भी complete graph आपके पास है, then vertex connectivity will not be possible in any case. Okay? You cannot find the two disconnected part after deletion of some vertex. Clear? Now check for K26 graph. Draw the K26 and then after derive it edge connectivity and vertex connectivity. Yeah, edge connectivity will be 2. Clear? Edge connectivity will be 2. Draw the K26 graph, 2 vertex and 6 vertex in opposite side. Okay. Every vertex of one side should be connected to every vertex of second side. Okay, means other side. Clear? And then after check it. 2, 6. Clear? So what is the edge connectivity of the K26 graph? It is equal to 2. Why it is a 2? Just delete, let us say it is a vertex. A को आपको disconnect करना है, तो how many edges you have to delete? 2 edges. Okay. So edge connectivity will be 2. Now what is the vertex connectivity? Now Kalpana will explain the answer. Kalpana, can you hear me? Kalpana? Kalpana, can you hear me? Just unmute yourself and explain the answer. What will be the vertex connectivity? Kalpana. Then after Hers Tank, Hers. Can you hear me, Hers?
Yes, sir.
Hers, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is answer of vertex connectivity of K26 graph? Have you done it all this for example? Okay. So now it's very easy for you. Okay. Vertex connectivity. Why it is not possible? It is not a complete graph. For complete graph, it is not possible. It is complete bipartite graph. Mayank. Mayank, can you hear me, Mayank? What will be the answer? Mayank?
Sir, can I answer?
Yes, yes, please.
Vertex connectivity is 2.
Yes, that's answer. Okay. Now see this graph. Okay, that is a K26 graph. That is a 2 vertex in one side and 6 vertex in other side. Okay. So this 2 vertex. Okay, let us say it is a B and C. So B and C are connect opposite 6 vertex. Okay, B and C are connect all the opposite 6 vertex. If I delete B and C, okay, if I delete a B and C, then all the edges will be removed. Okay, all the edges will be deleted. Clear? If I remove the B and C, all the edges will be deleted. Then all the opposite 6 vertex will be disconnected. Okay, all the opposite 6 vertex will be now disconnected. Clear? So if I delete only B, then rest of the graph is connected. Okay, C के साथ सभी 6 vertex connect रहेंगे. But if I delete B and C both, okay, B और C दोनों आप disconnect कर दो, then all the opposite 6 vertex will be disconnected. Okay. So what will be the answer of vertex connectivity? That will be a 2. Clear? So in this type of graph, you just predict the direct answer here. Okay. In complete graph, the degree of any particular vertex that will be the edge connectivity. Okay. And vertex connectivity is not possible. And in such complete bipartite graph, if we have K35 graph, okay, if we have K35 graph, then what will be the edge connectivity? That will be 3. Okay. And what will be the vertex connectivity? That is also a
3.
3. Clear? If we move K39 graph, then what will be the answer for edge connectivity?
3, sir.
3. And what will be the vertex connectivity?
3.
That is also a 3. Okay. So just predict the minimum value. Okay. Minimum number of vertex in this 2 partition. Which value is a minimum? Okay. If we have here K52 graph. Okay. Suppose आपके पास K52 graph है, then which is the minimum data in this partition? 2. Okay.
2.
Your answer. Clear? Edge as well as vertex connectivity will be a 2. Okay. So this type of question asked in MCQ form. Okay. Okay, what is answer of edge connectivity of the K39 graph? Okay. What is the answer of vertex connectivity of the K210 graph? Clear? So in such, you do not draw the graph. ठीक है, आपको कोई graph draw नहीं करना है उसमें. It will take some time for 1 mark. Clear? So you have to remember this type of result. Okay. What will be the answer for any of the complete bipartite graph as a edge connectivity as well as a vertex connectivity? Clear? And as per you will get idea. If we have, for example, in place of 2, 6, if I have 1, 6, okay, K16 graph, then what is the minimum value here? 1, okay. Edge connectivity will be 1 and vertex connectivity of this graph also will be 1 there. Okay, so practice some more example, okay, and you just predict the direct answer also, and then after verify from the graph, is it correct or not? Clear? Verify, draw the graph, and then after verify your answer from the graph, it is a correct or not. Clear? So these are the questions for edge and vertex connectivity, and this K5 and K26 graph both are non-separable graph, okay, because it has not vertex connectivity is 1. Clear? Okay, if you have still any doubt, please ask. Okay, now try the last question. Which of the following graph are isomorphic graph? Okay, some graphs is given that, and already 1 and 2 I already solved here. Okay, okay, they are isomorphic graph here. Okay, 1 and 2, that is a first and second graph here. So how we can check the isomorphic relation between the two graphs? Okay, first we'll compare the number of vertex to the both graph, then after number of edges to the both graph. Okay, and then after we'll check if they are equal. Okay, then we apply the third case, a 1-to-1 correspond relation. Okay, if any mismatch in the vertex and edges, then directly you can say it is not isomorphic graph. Okay, if they are equal, then apply the third case, a 1-to-1 correspond relation. Okay, so in the first graph, okay, first two pair both have 4 vertex and 4 edges. Sorry, that is 5 edges. Okay, both are same number of vertex, same number of edges. So here we apply the 1-to-1 correspond relation. Means you have to check the image of every vertex of first graph to its second graph. Okay, image of every vertex of first graph to the second graph. Clear? So let's start image of A. So how we can check image of A? Okay, we consider such vertex. Okay, here degree of A is a 2. That to find such vertex in the second graph, its degree should be 2. Okay, and here A is adjacent with 2 more vertex. Okay, which 2 vertex? D and C, which is a degree 3. Okay, so find such vertex in the second graph. Clear? Which is a degree 2, and that vertex should also adjacent with 2 more vertex, which should have degree 3. Okay, so there are two places we have. One is a vertex 2, that is degree 2, and it has also incidence with 0 and 1, which is a degree 3. Either you can say third number vertex, that you can say is the image of A, which is also adjacent with 0 and 1, which is a degree 3. Okay, so let us say third number vertex, it will be the image of A and mentioned by A dash, and let us say it is a D dash, and that will be the image of C dash. Okay, and here C and D are adjacent with the B. Okay, which is a degree 2. So here C dash and D dash should just adjacent with one more vertex, which should have degree 2. Okay, and there is one vertex is available, which is the second number, and here we can say as a D dash. Okay, so each and image of each and every vertex are exist. Okay, of first graph to the second graph. So what is meaning of that? Okay, this graph are isomorphic graph. Okay, this is a isomorphic graph. Clear? So similar way you have to check the second pair, third pair, and the fourth pair. Some of the pair we already discussed during the lecture session, so it will be repeated now. Okay, so draw this both graph. Second is already solved. Okay, now try third one, fourth, fifth. Okay, for your practice. Complete it, clear, and then we'll start the next assignment number 6. Clear? Let's do it. If you have any doubt how to check isomorphic, please ask. Otherwise, try it. It's very easy. Okay. Just find the image of every vertex of first graph to the second graph. Clear? You have to mention it by A dash, B dash, C dash, and so on. Okay. Otherwise, you can consider A star, B star, C star. Otherwise, F of A, F of B, F of C. Any notation you can use here as an image. So all of you try it. I will ask anyone for the answer, and you should have the answer for particular questions. If you have any doubt, please ask. But if you join only for attendance, okay, and left this group. Yeah, second graph is also isomorphic. Okay, that you already checked. Here I already solved the second graph. 6 vertex to this both graph and 9 edges to the both graph. Okay, that is a K33 graph and already checked during the lecture also. Okay, find the image of A. Okay, so I consider as a fifth vertex as A dash. Okay, and A is adjacent with D, E, F. Clear? So consider the three vertex from A dash. That is a second number, 1 number, and 4 number. Okay. So that will be the image of D dash, E dash, and F dash. Clear? And rest of the two places will be the B dash and C dash. Clear? They are connected. Clear? B is connected also DEF, and C is also connected with DEF. Clear? That is verified. So second graph is also isomorphic. Now try it third one, 4 and 5. There is a fourth pair, third and fourth. All of you try it. It's very easy, not difficult. જ્યાં સુધી તમે ટ્રાય નહીં કરો ત્યાં સુધી ખ્યાલ નહીં આવે કે તમને આવડે છે કે નહીં. Clear to try it. Now you have time to practice it. Without practice, it's very difficult. So all of you try it. It's very easy. If you have any questions, any doubt, you can ask. But ખાલી એમને બેસી નથી રહેવાનું. Rajvi, have you done it? Second graph. Can you hear me, Rajvi? Yes. Can you hear me, Rajvi? Unmute yourself and speak. Rajvi.
Yes, sir.
Have you done it, the second graph?
No, sir, I'm doing.
I think 10 minutes is completed. 10 minutes સુધી હજી ચેક નથી કર્યું તમે. 10 મિનિટ થઈ ગઈ ગ્રાફ આપ્યો. લવ પડાલિયા. Yes, have you done it? Second graph. Yes, what is answer of second graph? Yeah, fourth is also isomorphic. Third is also isomorphic. Okay, second, third both are isomorphic graph. Aditya, can you hear me, Aditya? Aditya, you done it? Second, third, fourth graph. Okay, nice. Second is isomer that we already discussed, okay, before 10 minutes. Okay, so this fourth pair is also isomorphic. Okay, yeah, third and fourth is also isomorphic. Okay, good. And fifth also. Nice. Okay, so all are the pair. Okay, that is fifth pair is given here. This graph you already checked during the lecture session. Okay, so that is also available in one of the exercise of lecture note. Okay, so practice some more example. Clear? And try it again if you have still any doubt how to check isomorphic relation. Clear? uh, this pair will be given. Okay, if I consider fourth graph, this type of pair will be there in the exam, and questions will be there, verify the following graph is isomorphic or not. Okay, here in this 1, 2 and 3, the vertex notation I have mentioned. Okay, and you just predict it image to the second graph. Here no any vertex notation is mentioned to this fourth pair. Clear? So first prefer the vertex notation to the first graph, okay, and then after check it image to the second graph. Clear? Then after check its image to the second graph. Clear? So this type of pair will be there in the exam session also. Clear? In the exam, in one of the paper. Clear? So you just practice some more exercise. You have to find out the image of every vertex to the second graph, and that type of that will be considered for the evaluation. Okay, not only one line it is isomorphic, not isomorphic. Okay, you have to mention the image of every vertex of first graph to the second graph. Okay, that will be considered for evaluation. Clear? For marking. Okay, so that is assignment number 5. Okay, that was the last question, and I think in the last week I create a link to upload the assignment 5 in your Google Classroom. Okay, so complete assignment 5 in this week. Clear? And before the Saturday, clear? Upload this, means finish it and consider it PDF file, and upload this PDF file in the Google Classroom. Okay, before this Saturday. Okay, Saturday is the last date to submit assignment 5. After that, I will consider 0 mark. Okay, for late submission. Any confusion? Okay. Good. Okay, there is 25 mark for the term work. Okay, and all this assignment will consider for term work. Clear? Those who will submit within the time, okay, as per the given time limit, they will get a good mark. Okay, and those students will submit the late, clear, after the deadline, they will get a 0 mark. Okay, for that assignment. Okay, so let's start the next assignment. Let us complete 1 or 2 questions for that assignment. It is also available in e-content assignment 6, unit of planar and non-planar theory. Okay, and it's a small unit. Okay, so there is no more question is that only 8 questions are given. Okay, in the assignment number 6, all are very easy. Okay, and some of the questions we already discussed during the lecture session. Okay, so that will be repeat again. Assignment 6. Okay, unit is planar and non-planar graph. So start the question number 1. Check whether the following graphs are planar or not. Okay. Following graphs are planar or not. You can also mention the definition here of planar graph. Okay, such graph, okay, for connected graph, it can be drawn on plane such that no two any edge intersect. That is called planar graph definition. Okay, you can also mention it here for your reference. Clear what is meaning of planar graph. And then after check the first, second, and third. In the second and third, there is no any intersection between any two edges. You can see that it's clearly a planar graph. Clear? Second and third. Okay, I just verified the second and third. It is planar graph. Similarly, third graph. You just observe the sketch of the third graph. There is no any crossover between any two edges. Okay, so it is also planar graph. There is no any modification is required. But in the first graph, you have to modify this graph such a way that we can draw this connection, all the connection without crossover the edge. Clear? And try to make it planar if it is possible. If it is not possible, then your answer will be non-planar graph. Okay. So try it the first one. Second and third is planar graph. Okay. And then after start question number 2. There is some special graph is given that Peterson graph, complete bipartite graph, and you have to make as a planar form. Okay. You have to convert this shape as a planar form. If it is possible, then your conclusion will be planar. If it is not possible, then it is a non-planar graph. Okay. So complete the question 1 and 2.